In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to manage job costs in Housecall Pro, a powerful tool designed to help you streamline your service business. Whether you're new to the software or just looking for a quick refresher, we'll break down everything you need to know to stay on top of job costs and run your business efficiently. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share how you can get Housecall Pro for free with exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. Managing job costs is crucial for any business owner, and Housecall Pro makes it simple to track and manage your expenses on the go. First, you can set up your pricing structure directly within the software. You can input hourly rates, labor costs, materials, and any additional fees all in one place. This ensures that every job is priced accurately and you're not missing any hidden costs. Once your pricing structure is set, the software makes it easy to add job costs as you create jobs in the system. When you're setting up a new job for a customer, you'll have the option to input labor hours, materials used, and any other specific expenses related to the job. It's simple to break down the costs and ensure that everything is covered before the job even starts. This allows you to stay on top of things in real time without scrambling to remember details after the fact. Housecall Pro also lets you track costs for multiple technicians. If you have a team, each technician can log their hours and material usage, which you can review later on. This helps you keep an accurate record of where your money is going and ensures that you're charging appropriately for the work being done. Plus, with the app's ability to sync data across devices, your team can easily log their costs as they go, and you can access everything from one central dashboard. Now, let's talk about the real power of Housecall Pro's job cost management, job costing reports. The software automatically generates detailed reports that give you a clear breakdown of each job's costs. This includes labor, materials, and any other expenses associated with the job. These reports are easy to understand and can be customized to fit your needs, helping you quickly assess your profitability. In addition, Housecall Pro's integration with QuickBooks makes it even easier to manage finances. With just a few clicks, you can sync your job cost data with your accounting software, making invoicing and tracking expenses a breeze. This integration eliminates manual data entry, which can save you hours every week and reduces the chances of costly mistakes. By using Housecall Pro's job cost management features, you can ensure that you're always in control of your business finances. Not only will you have accurate records, but you'll also be able to make data-driven decisions on pricing and resource allocation. With the software's user-friendly interface, managing job costs has never been easier. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that Housecall Pro offers a completely free version for a limited time, and you can access it right now through the first link below. This exclusive offer comes with bonuses to help you get started without any commitment. So if you're ready to take control of your job costs and manage your business more efficiently, Housecall Pro is the tool you need. Don't forget to check the link below for your extended free trial.